Hello, so this is another English task, and it says, in your opinion, is the boy's mother exaggerating or do you agree with her point of view? So I don't think the mom is overreacting because people is very careless about what kind of information we upload on our, I don't know, our social media, and this is a problem. I don't know. I think that none of us think that a random person will come and steal our information or pics. Like a very common expression I heard is that my life is so boring, so why a random person will come and steal some of my information? No, nobody will care. But again, I think this is an excuse to be careless. About, have you ever had this kind of conversation with any of your parents? Yes, my father used to work in the IT department, so he was on top of this kind of things. So he was informing my sister and me, even if we didn't like it by that time. And about, how careful are you with the information you show about yourself on the internet? Well, actually, not so much. I use Facebook and Instagram, and sometimes I do this kind of contest, and they ask you to set your profile like a public one. Then everybody will be able to see everything. And I'm not protecting that kind of information, and this is something that I need to change because it's actually not something that I want everybody to be able to reach, or I don't know. So that's it.